Gagawa tayo ngayon ng RPMS cover ng ating portfolio using Photoshop. As usual, we need to have a new layer, and then we have to adjust the width and then the height, the resolution. You have learned this one in our previous discussions and tutorials in Photoshop. Okay, so that is it. And then if we have the layer already, then we need to have an image or photos para gawin natin siyang background. So file, open, kuha lang tayo ng picture doon sa ating photo gallery. Hintayin lang natin ng konti. Ayan na. Then using the magic eraser tool, erase yung portion na hindi kailangan. Okay. Minimize muna natin. Okay. So that is it. Okay. Tapos, yung image na yan ay kailangan nating i-crop para maganda naman yung kanyang appearance. Okay. Tapos, erase natin yung portion na hindi kailangan. Okay. So, using the move tool, pwede mong ma-move yung lahat ng mga image and pictures. Now, lagyan na natin ng text or words yung ating photo or yung ating parang ginawa nating backdraft, no? Okay, so isulat natin yung word na RPMS. Kung nakita nyo yung letter T dyan, i-click nyo lang yung letter T and then pwede na kayong magsulat sa ating picture or image na ginawa nating background or sa ating cover mismo. Okay, and then afterwards, i-close natin yung isang image. Tapos, ilagay natin yan sa word na RPMS para meron namang accent yung ating isinulat na text na which is RPMS. Okay, so i-adjust lang natin ng konti. Okay, so i-crop natin using the move tool. Pwede mong ma-move at ma-crop yung isang image. Okay. Yan, maganda na siya. Tapos, lagyan natin ng stroke, FX, stroke. And then, select natin yung color na maganda yung appearance. So, pwede natin i-select yung color red. Okay, so that is it. Click OK. And then, yung size and do the same, click OK if okay na siya. And then that is it. Click file and then click open for another picture. Okay, so yan na yung ating image kasi maganda yung meron ka ring picture na ilagay sa iyong cover ng iyong RPMS portfolio. Huwag kalimutan yung logo kasi isa sa pinaka-importante na makita sa ating cover ay ang logo. Okay, so i-crop lang natin tapos i-move natin kung saan maganda tingnan yung logo and then that would be very okay. Next is kuha tayo ulit ng image para sa baba na portion ng ating cover. Okay. Para maganda din naman siya tingnan. Click close and then i-crop natin siya. Okay. Ayan. Maganda na siyang tingnan. Okay. So, isulat naman natin yung pangalan natin dyan. Click move tool and apply and then crop. I-crop mo lang yan. Okay, so siguro mas maganda kung ang ilagay na lang natin ay ang pangalan na lang at saka yung kanyang designation. wala na lang siguro yung prepared by. So for example, designation example is teacher 2 or rating. Pwedeng ganun na lang ating isulat para magandang tignan. Okay, yan na. Nasulat na natin si Sir Kenneth P. Barago, rating, teacher 2. And of course, ang kanyang principal na si Ma'am Maria B. Pamungcalis, the rater or the principal 2. Para maganda naman at ma-identify yung mga KRA, lagyan natin sila ng color at saka lagyan natin ng stroke yung labas ng outer portion ng letters. So, mas maganda kung iba-iba yung color nila para ma-identify naman yung KRA 1, KRA 2, hanggang KRA 5. Tapos, huwag kalimutan ang school year. So, for this presentation, we will be having our, of course, the school year is 2021-2022. This is in preparation for next year. Okay. So, at least, meron na silang makita, meron na kayong makita na magandang example ng cover na pwede palang gamitin. Okay, so that is it. And that is our final product of our RPMS portfolio cover. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.